by creating many in the natural environment.
Hey, Chuck Smart here with Mojo Outdoors, wanting to introduce to you our new elite line of spinning wing decoys from here at Mojo. You know, we've started that new housing with the skin technology this year, and from that we have spun off, and everybody's familiar with our baby Drake. It's been a staple to most spreads around the U.S., if not internationally. We sell them all over the world, and they work great, which we still are going to offer our original Mojo line, but from what I'm demonstrating now is our elite line, which comes with a patented housing with the wings attached to it, the pegs on the bottom of that. All of them have the pop-in batteries. This particular model has the 4 AA's in both hen, Drake, and pintail in this mid-side series. Simple on-off switch, high-definition wings, which will, this lightweight concentric wing will increase your RPMs, extend your battery life, and with lightweight, like I say, it's got a housing in here, and you can see this flexible body. So we will offer this in the hen and Drake in this elite line, as well as our standard HW4401, which is your baby Drake, and 4501 hen.
The new Mojo Flacker Flicker is the most significant advancement in decoys since the invention of the spinning wing decoy. This new spinning wing concept more closely represents a group of live ducks. The new Flacker Flickers give ducks a look that they've never seen before in decoys, but they see every day with live ducks. These decoys come packed 6 to a group and have random set timers in each one to where no 2 or 3 will go off at the exact same time throughout your spread. The main reason for the Flacker Flickers is to add that realism throughout your spread. A lot of times when you have the full spinning wing decoys, a lot of people think that you may be getting too much flash, and what this does is this represents more of a whole flock of ducks coming in. You put them throughout, disperse them throughout the whole spread, left, right, front, back, and center. And with the intermittent flash that goes off, it gives you a more realistic look, and it looks like a group of live ducks sitting in your decoys. One of the things that we tested early on is you can use these on land or on water. We've used them all the way from Canada, where we were hunting ducks and geese. Same thing, you just put them throughout your spread. We used them in teal season in the warm weather. The teal loved them. We used them all the way through the season. Later in the season, when the ducks have really seen a lot of decoy spreads, this is one thing that'll really help. You disperse these through there, it gives enough flash to where it doesn't scare the ducks off, but it makes it look like a real set of ducks, and the ducks just love it. They will come in. One of the things that we like to do is we like to put our regular Mojo decoys out, our spinning wing decoys, and then put the Flacker Flickers around the spread around them. This way you've got a complete spread that's covered with motion. If the ducks that particular day aren't working the regular decoys, they will work the Flacker Flickers, and if they're not working the Flacker Flickers, they're going to work the real ducks, or the spinning wing ducks. So it just adds the best of both worlds. One thing you can do is you can take these wings off, drop a dozen of them down in your backpack. They're easy to carry, easy to tote, and easy to deploy. So the one thing that you want to do is make sure you've got 6 to 12 of them. That's what we like to hunt with. And again, that gives you a good looking spread, good looking flash throughout the spread, and it seems to work all the way from early season to late season. Our new decoy runs on 3 AA batteries. They're placed right in here in a little housing. It comes with a screw-off, watertight housing that screws right into it. Screw it in, get it good and tight. On-off switch up here up top, turn it on, it's ready to roll.
Hey, Chuck Smart here with Mojo Outdoors. We have come up with the ultimate Mojo mallard accessory, the Mojo Booty Shaker. We got a paddle right here that fits over your breast peg, got a counterbalance weight that hooks over your magnetic wing. This will fit any and all of your big ducks, your Mojo mallards, your factory installed remote, multi-cycle remote, big duck, magnetic wing. You got your counterbalance that slips over here. Put this housing right, this paddle over your peg, breast peg, lock it down. Put your pole in that, your paddle in the water to your desired depth. It'll shake, churn, kick, spit the water, looks perfect.
Canvasbacks are rugged, wide Magnum decoys that are designed for the open water where these ducks rest and feed. We created these decoys to suck down and ride the waves just like the real ducks themselves. Simply put, there is no equal to these decoys when it comes to realism, anatomy, and design. Like all Avian X decoys, we constructed these decoys from rubberized molding material needed to withstand abuse in rough conditions. Their carefully selected head positions and body postures mimic the
Thanks for watching. Product buying link given in description.